Hello guys, it's Kirk. I'm here back with another vlog and yeah, uh, today is 22nd and on 21st February 2019 I gave my first paper of board examination. It went good. It was good. Even though there was some disappointment in me because there was some problems I faced during the examination. Let me tell you how the whole thing and whole thing went on. So the timing for the examination was 10:30. It was the time in which the examination was supposed to begin, and we were supposed to be there at the center by 9:45. That is what our school said, and the management said by 9:40. The official notice said by 10. So we reached school at 9:10. Yeah, we were early. We just thought it's better to just think and do this right stuff. So we reached by 10, maybe 9 and 9:10. Yeah, 9:10. And there were some people there already, and they were kind of studying, and I was like, "भाई मत पढ़ो यार, अब तो बहुत हो गया, अब तो मत पढ़ो." And there were some people who were recalling stuff and doing stuff, uh, you know, examination stuff. So we were just there, me, my father, were waiting for everything to get kind of over, and just me getting in, doing my paper. That's exactly what I wanted to do. But yeah, there were a lot of things that happened outside. So both of my friends, both my friends, Jatin. Okay, that guy watches my vlog too. So that guy I just named, which you didn't hear, and another friend H, they reached a little late. So I was there with my father. I was thinking like, chalo paper hai, maja aayega. It was kind of like I felt really bad because we were sitting outside the hall, and the examination hall was not actually the hall, it was a classroom. Kind of disappointing, I was thinking, yeah, when I was in St. Mary's in Mirzapur, we were given a whole big hall in which we all were seated and giving our examination. It was felt like, yeah, something grand is going on, something cool is going on. And here we were sitting in a classroom, and students were asking each other questions and answers, and we were free to do that. It was so easy. The guy who was sitting in front of me asked me 3 or 4 questions. Oh, and the paper seal. Let me talk about the paper seal. We were given the paper in which we were supposed to write. That's called an answer sheet. And in the answer sheet, there was a seal. The seal was quite good. In order to take that seal out, I almost turned off my. It was like a tape kind of was giving me a tape vibe. Yeah, I know that sounds kind of weird, right? So I just took it out very carefully and almost torn off a piece of the front page of the paper, and I was like, oh no 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 no. Very carefully I took it out, and it came out quite good. And then the instructors, they were very kind and they were very polite and they made us feel at home. But I had this one complaint. When we were given the paper, the answer paper, the answer sheet. It, I think they should have, they should have checked the whole thing at that moment. I mean, they should have signed our answer sheet at that moment, just to confirm that, yeah, these were the examiners at the time of examination, and that should have been okay. Yeah, pretty cool. But what they did, they gave us the question paper and then they started signing our answer sheet. It took them 30 to 40 seconds to do that stuff, and it was not cool at all. I'll tell you, that was not cool at all, because we were writing paper, and in the middle of paper, yeah, you give me your answer sheet. Why would you do that? That was so bad. The reason for that being bad is because you are writing an answer and they took your paper and just to sign it. That was not cool at all. I felt not good about it. Not good at all. Because okay, it was music paper. That was fine. We could easily manage. But if it were another paper like English paper, every bloody second counts. And the way you place your hand on the question paper answer sheet, uh, that particular एक muscle आपकी stretch हो जाती है, your like thumb finger got stretched, and it kind of fixes itself so that you can write properly. That's how I work. I don't know whether it's with you guys or not. It when they take your question answer sheet, it tends to disturb that. And you should always keep your hand on paper. For a guy like me who's writing is very bad, you should always keep your hand on the answer sheet so that you can write better. And if you're taking away the paper, how can I do that? So that was one major complaint I had from the management. Also, when it was around, the paper was supposed to end at 1:30, but when it was around 1, we no, it was not 1. Yeah, it was 1. When it was around 1, we were told that only 15 minutes are left, and I was like, what the hell? I have a whole answer to complete. I have a whole, like, I was writing types of something. I was writing types of kind of types of Ratnakar, this thing. Let me not go in detail. So I was writing that, and I was like, what? Only 15 minutes? How the hell am I going to check my copy, and how am I going to do everything, and how am I going to maintain my writing? So I completed the copy as soon as possible. And I was so furious at that time, like, what the hell? I thought the paper was supposed to end at 1:30. And he messed up. He said, oh, there's still 15 minutes left. So the management was not good at all. I just went out. I was like, okay, paper is over, music kabhi aur nahi dena padega, yay. And perhaps I have to give music again, but a little part of it, like thoda bahut aayega. It won't matter much. So yeah, that's how we did it. The first paper was good, paper was great. Kind of satisfied. I don't care whether I will get 30 out of 30 or 25 or 24. I'm definitely getting 90 plus in this paper. That's one thing for sure. But the management was very bad. I'm giving a negative to the management. I hope next time they will improve. I hope, really hope that they will improve the next time. But till then, let's just hope. So the next paper is English, and I love English. Let's see how it goes. I'm still preparing, like the whole thing is ready, but still need to do a lot of work. Still need to grasp a lot of things. So yeah, I just took that topper's copy, and the writing was good, but the sentences were very basic. Doesn't matter. I'm going to give my best. Let's see what will happen, and yeah, let's have fun. So see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Peace.